you are here working. What is currently happening? Currently, ko warehouse in we duelang 170,000 pula per month.
Honali, it's only the say, Honali assembly plant, which we have just completed, which is part of the investment. We had procured it, and it has been.
No, you're answering a totally different question. Yep. In fact, we are going to go to that one. Yeah. Very interesting discovery we've made. Earlier on, there's a warehouse. These are kept in a warehouse. Warehouse in today, as we speak, what is happening? What is going on? What activity is taking place? We're now PAC.
That is why, honorable members, I was asking for your indulgence, because I've just gotten a brief that there is some work. It is not clear what kind of work is going on. So I need you to verify the fact, because as acting, I'm just.
Information in a project.
And he said it's complete.
Information in a project.
I do agree with that. I don't have a complete brief of the project, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Out quite clearly.
Yeah. Yes. Of the 80 vehicles, one would assume the other 9, fully, dealer running. One would assume they are running. From the 80 now, how many vehicles are running? You can't tell me you have no interest in knowing from the 30 buses, how many buses are running?
Honorable, the information that I have is that the buses have been assembled. The cars have been assembled. I just want to and there's still.
It is quite evident that the acting PS does not have information on the matter. No amount of probing will help, unless we say, when we come back from the break, if you have something to share, please share.
But Chair, this is an issue of national interest.
Yes, of course.
Which I believe PS earlier on said, it is only now that we want to know that he seemed not to be sure of his statement. And this is disturbing to a committee. You cannot tell us the base, it's a fate. Or rather, let me refer.